Have you ever struggled with inconsistent oven temperatures, leading to burnt edges and undercooked centers? Traditional trays can't handle temperature fluctuations, making baking unpredictable. Now, meet the Culinary titanium oven tray. It keeps temperature fluctuations within plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius, ensuring even heat distribution. Titanium's superior heat stability helps your oven stay consistent, reducing overbaking and raw spots. Titanium's ultra-efficient heat transfer speeds up cooking by 20%, delivering perfect texture and flavor. Whether the crispy pizza, a juicy steak, or a perfectly soft cake, every bite reaches its ideal state. Our innovative groove design channels away excess oil and moisture, keeping food crisp and delicious. Less food residue, easier cleaning, and better health. With CNC precision processing, it retains its perfect form even under drastic temperature changes. It's not just for baking. Culinary serves as a grill, steamer, cutting board, and even a serving plate, offering true versatility. Made from food-grade GR2 titanium alloy, free from heavy metals or chemical coatings, ensuring healthy baking. Our modular design offers versatility. The 10x 13.5-inch tray is compact and easy to move, and 2 trays can be combined for a larger surface, all while staying lightweight and easy to handle. Culinary multifunctional titanium oven tray. Everyone cooks better food.
Yeah.
Look at the bread, it's so amazing. The